Jamaica, a beautiful island in the Caribbean, is famous for its vibrant culture. Music, dance, and food are all important parts of Jamaican life. Food in Jamaica is more than just sustenance, it's a celebration of life, history, and cultural identity. The flavors of Jamaica are bold, spicy, and aromatic. Jamaican cuisine is like a delicious blend of different cultures. It combines African, European, and Asian influences. This unique mix creates a culinary experience that is both diverse and delicious. From hearty stews to spicy jerk dishes, there's something for everyone to enjoy. One of the things that makes Jamaican food so special is the use of fresh, local ingredients. The island's tropical climate provides an abundance of fruits, vegetables, and spices. These ingredients are used to create dishes that are bursting with flavor. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just looking to try something new, Jamaican cuisine is sure to tantalize your taste buds. So come along on a flavorful journey as we explore the wonderful world of Jamaican food. No exploration of Jamaican food would be complete without mentioning ackee and saltfish, the national dish. This iconic breakfast is a true representation of Jamaica's culinary heritage. Ackee, a fruit unique to West Africa, is thought to have arrived in Jamaica during the days of the slave trade. Ackee is a delicate fruit that requires careful preparation. It is cooked with salted codfish, onions, tomatoes, and spices to create a savory and satisfying dish. The ackee fruit has a creamy texture that pairs perfectly with the salty fish. Often served with boiled green bananas, fried dumplings, or breadfruit, ackee and saltfish is a hearty and flavorful way to start the day. It's a dish that evokes a sense of home and comfort for many Jamaicans. Jerk chicken is arguably Jamaica's most famous culinary export. This spicy and smoky dish has gained worldwide popularity for its unique flavor. The secret behind jerk chicken lies in its marinade. A blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, and other spices creates a fiery paste that infuses the chicken with incredible flavor. Traditionally, jerk chicken is cooked over pimento wood, which imparts a smoky aroma to the meat. The chicken is marinated for hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. The result is tender, juicy chicken with a fiery kick. Jamaican cuisine is a melting pot of culinary traditions, reflecting the island's rich history. African influences are evident in dishes like ackee and saltfish and rundown, a mackerel stew cooked in coconut milk. European colonization brought ingredients like sugarcane, citrus fruits, and spices, which were incorporated into local dishes. Indian indentured laborers brought their love for curry, which can be seen in Jamaican curry goat and curry chicken. Chinese immigrants introduced their cooking techniques and flavors, resulting in dishes like Jamaican-style Chinese food. Section 5. Street food delights, from handcarts to hearts. Street food is, well, an integral part of Jamaican culture, offering a quick and affordable way to experience the island's flavors. From bustling city streets to rural roadside stalls, you'll find vendors selling a variety of delicious treats. One popular street food is patties, savory pastries filled with seasoned ground beef, chicken, or vegetables. Other favorites include jerk pork, roasted breadfruit, and soup vendors selling hearty bowls of red peas soup or manish water, which is goat head soup. Street food in Jamaica is not just about filling your stomach, it's a social experience. Section 6. Food festivals, celebrations of flavor. Jamaicans love a good celebration, and food plays a central role in many of their festivals. Food festivals are a fantastic way to experience the diversity and vibrancy of Jamaican cuisine. One of the most anticipated events is the annual Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. This week-long event showcases the talents of Jamaica's top chefs, restaurants, and food artisans. From gourmet dining experiences to street food markets, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Other notable food festivals include the Portland Jerk Festival and the Montego Bay Jerk Fest. Section 7. The Soul of Jamaica: Food, Family, and Community. In Jamaica, food is more than just fuel. It's the heart of social gatherings and family celebrations. Whether it's a Sunday dinner with family or a backyard barbecue with friends, food brings people together. Sharing a meal is a way to connect, share stories, and strengthen bonds. Many Jamaican recipes have been passed down through generations, preserving culinary traditions and family history. These recipes often hold special significance and evoke cherished memories. Section 8. Global Appeal: Jamaican Food Around the World. Jamaican food has transcended its geographical boundaries and captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. The spicy, flavorful dishes have become a global phenomenon, with Jamaican restaurants popping up in major cities all over the world. From London to Tokyo, people are falling in love with the bold flavors of jerk chicken, ackee and saltfish, and other Jamaican delicacies. The popularity of Jamaican food is a testament to its unique and delicious flavors. Section 9, Conclusion, A Taste of Paradise. Jamaican food culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from history, tradition, and a love for good food. From the iconic national dish of ackee and saltfish to the fiery spice of jerk chicken, Jamaican cuisine offers a sensory adventure that tantalizes the taste buds and nourishes the soul. More than just delicious food, Jamaican cuisine is a celebration of life, family, and community. So whether you're lucky enough to experience it on the island or at a Jamaican restaurant near you, be sure to savor every bite and embrace the warmth and hospitality that come with it. It's a true taste of paradise. Reggae Roots Market.